Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Uber Eats stuck on placing your order. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or data is working properly. Try opening a different website to test your connection. Then, go to your app and on the bottom right of your screen, tap the account option and then wallet. Then make sure your card is active and has strong enough balance. Try switching to another payment method if available. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Uber Eats, swipe it away completely, wait for a few whiles and then open it and place a new order or place the order. Then on Android, go to your phone settings, tap apps, select Uber Eats, tap storage and cache, and then tap clear cache. Install the latest version of the app from your app store or play store. That's how you fix the Uber Eats stuck on placing orders. Subscribe for more quick